Welcome, career inventors and growth seekers. We all know that the professional world is evolving fast, and sometimes we find ourselves feeling stuck, unfulfilled, or simply are looking for a new challenge. But how do you actually make that leap into the new career? Today, we are going to break it down into practical, actionable steps that will help you transition smoothly and grow into your next opportunity. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Get clarity on your new direction. You can't just jump into the unknown without a sense of direction. You need to know what your next career looks like. Assess your interest and strengths. Start by asking yourself, what do I really enjoy doing? And where do my strengths lie? You want a career that aligns with both passion and skills. Research your target industry. Take time to understand the trends, requirements, and growth opportunities in the field you are interested in. Use resources like industry reports, networking events, and informational interviews to gather intelligence. When your vision is clear, your career path becomes a map leading straight to success. This isn't just about what's available, it's about where you want to contribute and feel fulfilled. Identify transferable skills. You already have a wealth of skills. Now it is time to identify which one transfers to your new career. Evaluate your core skills. Make a list of the skills you have developed in your current job. Think about leadership, communication, project management, data analysis, and other technical skills. Match these to your target career. Compare your list of qualifications and expectations of your new career field. Often industries have more overlap than you think. For example, if you have led teams, that's a valuable skill, whether you are in finance, marketing, or tech. Your past experience are not a limitation, but a toolbox full of skills waiting to be applied to new heights. This step allows you to position yourself as a valuable candidate in your new career without feeling like you are starting from scratch. Upskill strategically. Next, it's time to bridge any gaps in your knowledge. But you don't need to go back to school for years. Targeted learning is the key. Short courses and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, NLP limited programs, or industry specific certifications are a great way to quickly build on expertise. Focus on the high impact skills your new career requires. On the job learning. If you are transitioning within your current company or industry, see if you can take on projects or shadow roles in the areas you want to move into. Growth is not about where you start, it is about the skills you choose to sharpen. This shows employers that you are serious about your transition and gives you the credibility you need to compete in your new field. Build your personal brand. Now that you have clarity, transferable skills, and new knowledge, it's time to put yourself out there. Your personal brand is what will set you apart. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Tailor your resume and LinkedIn profile to emphasize your transferable skills and new qualifications. Highlight relevant experience and reframe your past roles to show how they relate to your next career target. Start networking in your new field. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with professionals in your desired field. The goal is to build relationships that will lead to opportunities and insights. Your brand is your promise to the world. Make sure it's a reflection of your excellence and integrity. Your network is one of your most powerful assets during a career transition, so nurture it well. Test the waters. Don't dive in head first just yet. Let's test the waters first. Side projects or freelance work. Take on small gigs or freelance projects in your target industry. This allows you to gain real world experience without committing fully. Internship or volunteering, if possible, offer your skills for free or at a lower cost to gain hands on experience. This not only sharpens your skills but also builds your credibility. Think of this phase as a trial run before you make the full leap. Take the leap and stay resilient. Once you have built the skills, network, and be confident, it's time to make the leap. Prepare financially. Career transitions can sometimes mean a temporary drop in income. Ensure that you have a financial cushion to weather the shift. Commit to continuous learning. Career growth doesn't stop once you have made the change. Stay up to date with trends, network regularly, and continue developing your skills. Great careers don't happen by chance. They evolve from calculated risks and strategic explorations. Transitioning is rarely linear. There'll be challenges, but resilience and adaptability is key. Success is a journey, not a straight line. Embrace the curves and rise at every turn. So, there you have it, your practical roadmap for transitioning careers and reinventing yourself for growth. Remember, clarity, upskilling, networking, and resilience are the building blocks to successfully reinventing your career. Here is your action item. Write down one new skill you will start working on and one person you will reach out to in your industry this week. Small steps lead to big growth. So get started and remember, you have got this. The career you desire is within your reach, waiting for you to take action. Explore boldly, move forward with purpose, and let each step prepare you for the leap. I look forward to seeing you at the peak of your success.